Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English, morning shift. Now I am going to take a class for class 7. Our today's subject is English first paper. Let's look at our today's topic. This is unit number 1 and lesson 1-2. This is lecture number 1 and homework 1 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at the book. This is unit 1, lesson 1. In the classroom. Let's look at the picture first. You can see this is the picture of a classroom. You can see students and the teacher is standing here. Let's read the dialogue. Teacher, good morning and welcome everybody. Students, good morning teacher. Teacher, are you ready for the class? Students, yes teacher. Teacher, have you got your new books? Students, yes teacher, we have. Teacher, good. Please remember to bring your English book every day and speak English with me and with your classmates. So in this picture, this is the first day of school and the teacher has entered. It's the beginning of the class. They are exchanging greetings. Let's look at exercise B. What does the teacher ask the students to do? The teacher tells the students to bring their English book every day and speak English with the teacher and with their classmates. This is the answer. Okay dear students, let's look at exercise C. There are some questions. Number 1, do you speak English with your teacher? So all of you speak English with your teacher at school. Let's look at number 2. Do you speak English with your friends and classmates? I hope that all of you speak in English with your friends and classmates. You usually do. Number 3. If you speak English outside the class, where do you speak it? You should also speak in English outside the class as well. In this way, you can get more practice. Number 4. Do you watch any English programs on TV? What programs do you watch? So all of you watch TV or you watch programs in YouTube or other sources as well. So when you are watching programs, try to watch programs in English. This will help you to improve your English. Let's look at the next page. This is lesson 2, outside school. Exercise A. Listen and read these short conversations. You can see other dialogues here. We will read this now. Number 1. Fahim, can I borrow your pen please? Tamim, yes, of course you can. Here you are. Number 2, Radif, could you please help me with my maths? Rahin, sorry, I can't. I'm not good at maths. Number 3, Sister, would you turn the television off? I'm doing my homework. Brother, sorry, I didn't notice that. Please go on with your studies. So in these dialogues, we can see that people are making requests. So please, careful. Okay, read and see how people are making requests. You will need this in doing exercise B. Complete these dialogues using suitable words. Dialogues like these are given here, okay? But there are gaps. You have to fill in the gaps. I will do number 1 for you. Number A. You can see a blank here. Then you lend me your English book for a day. We will use could here. Could you lend me your English book for a day? Number B. Sorry, I can't. We will say can't because this person is saying sorry. So we can understand that this person is being unable to complete this request. So sorry, I can't. I need to read it tonight. You will do number 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. All of these will be your homework. You will do it in your homework copy and submit it on Saturday. Okay dear students, we will end our today's lesson here. Your homework is page 3, exercise B, the filling the gaps I just showed you. Dear students, please do the homework carefully in your homework copy and then submit it next Saturday in the school. Okay dear students, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.